All this week we're out of the kitchen enjoying the sights, sounds, and most importantly, the taste of our nation's capital. In addition to visiting lots of monuments, museums, and landmarks, we'll be visiting one of the area's most notable food hangouts, and we'll be sharing the 16th president's favorite dessert. But today we're highlighting a recipe that's been served in the Senate dining room since the early 20th century. And if you've been to Washington, D.C. before, you know there can be lots of walking. So whenever you're in town, you might want to consider getting a Metro Pass, hopping on a double-decker bus, or even trying your skills on a Segway. Does this look fun or what? And after getting the hang of this and going all around town, I headed up to see if I could find a bowl of the same famous bean soup that they serve in the Senate dining room. And with each spoonful, it got better and better. Between the rich broth, the chunks of smoky ham, and all those tender as can be beans, I vote that this is a true winner. To get the recipe for our version of Senate bean soup, all you have to do is go online. And now I'm off to explore more of this great city. I'm Howard from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an all-American way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.